how to send documents in WhatsApp in iPhone is first open our camera roll and select the picture that we want to send as a document in WhatsApp. See, here I am selecting these 4 pictures that I want to send. So I will select these and click on the share button. Now scroll a little and you can see an option for save to files. Click on that. Now select the file that you want to save your pictures in. I want it in the file named house. So I will open that and click on the save button. Now let us go to the Files app and see if the pictures are saved there. As you can see, the picture is saved. So let us now open our WhatsApp app and send it further. So I have clicked on the person I want to text. I will now click on the plus symbol and you can see the document option there. Select on that. Now choose the file that you saved earlier and click on open and then on send. So you can see the pictures are now sent as a document instead of just pictures. I hope this video was helpful. Before leaving, please make sure you hit the subscribe button because you do not want to miss on more of our tech videos. That is all for this video. We will soon see you again with similar videos. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you.